Can you take students to learn how to drive for this kind of weather? This is a storm and it's going to be nasty anytime. No, of course, all the students and the mentors are off. This is a day where you cannot get anybody who is learning to kill himself. It looks good here. This is a driving school, driving school. All these trucks are for training, for students, for people who never drove trucks before. All these trucks on this side, Premier, are for students. Everybody have to go home now or go inside, try to learn something else. It is not a day where a student can be on the roads because the roads are not very friendly.